What is up? It is Denise Draven, and today I'm filming a look with the new Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Here is the palette in all its glory. It's beautiful, it's really sparkly, it's pink. I love it so much. And also it's bigger than like the standard like ABH palettes. It does have like one more row than the usual. And it has a bunch of beautiful shades. There's neutrals in here if you're going for more of a neutral look, but it also has some more like pops of color in there. It's got some pinks, it's got blue, it's even got like pressed glitter shades in there as well. It's really beautiful. It has a lot of shimmers in it. So I already did my face makeup today already. I'm wearing foundation. I'm using the Good Molecules silicone free priming moisturizer. I think it works really well, especially like in the winter time because it's a moisturizing primer, so you know it helps with dry skin. So I think it really works well, and my makeup stays put for a really long time. I really do like it. I'm also using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid foundation. I can't remember what shade it is. It might be like 120 warm, I think. And of course I already contour my face with bronzer. And also you use the Anastasia setting powders as well. Kind of the usual, whatever I do for my face, you know, it's the same thing. Alrighty, so I think I want to dive into the makeup already, the eye makeup. I really don't know what to do because I have like so many ideas flowing through my head right now, and I want to use specific colors. Like I want to use pinks, and also I want to use the blue, and I'm like, oh my god. And I really did kind of like a natural, like a neutral cut crease with this palette, with like kind of like a smoky cat, like wing liner. But I kind of want to do something new because I already, you know, posted that look up to Instagram. I don't know if I'll ever do a tutorial for it, but I really do like it, so maybe I will in the future. But I want to do something with like color in it this time. I've used this palette like several times already and I love it so much. It's so beautiful. Alrighty, so first we're going to dive into the shade Wasted. This one's like a really light pink with a little pop of shimmer in it, but I'm going to use it for all over the lid to kind of give myself like a base. Okay, so next I kind of want to get like a little bit daring and dive into the shade Resi, which is just like really shimmery, hot pink. I normally don't like using shimmer shades like on my crease and blending them out because I think that looks a little bit wonky. I'm not really too crazy about blending out shimmers, but I really want to try it today. I haven't used the shade and I kind of want to go for like the look I'm going for. I want it like on the crease, like above the crease, so I want to do that. So we're just going to be applying it with a flat side of the brush, and then I think we're going to be blending out a little bit. Okay, so next I'm using the shade Semsa, and we're going to be darkening the crease with it. And I'm going to blend out just a little bit up into the hot pink shadow that I had applied. And also when I was blending out the shadow, it's still a little bit shimmery, but it's not as shimmery. I mean, I guess it is still pretty shimmery, but it blended out really nicely. It doesn't look patchy like how some shimmery shades blend out. But I like this a lot. It looks really beautiful. Okay, so next I'm going to cut in the crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm using the shade Leo. It's a really beautiful blue shimmer shade. I love it so much. That one really caught my attention when I first looked at the palette. I'm gonna use that one for sure. But I'm gonna apply that one onto the crease. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Amrezy on my inner corners and kind of blend it into the blue. But also, like, on top of that, I'm gonna be adding the shade Barb. Just to give it like an extra sparkle, also to lighten up so that we won't blend into the crease too much. Okay, so next I'm going to be applying the shade BK, and I'm going to be applying it kind of like as if we're doing liner, but it's not going to be like super clean, but I'm also going to be smudging it out with another brush, like upwards, to make it kind of like a smoky liner. I've been kind of digging those lately. Okay, so next I'm applying the shades Wasted, OG, and New Yorker. I'm pretty much going to blend them all one at a time. I'm applying the shade Wasted first, OG, and then New Yorker. Blend them underneath the eyes, not too much. We just want like a neutral under eye. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Barb on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm kind of make like a little wing on the inner corner of my eyes. I want to make the eyes look really sharp and really like elongated. Okay, so next I'm using the Kat Von D Beauty Anti-Precision Liner. I'm applying this on the inner corners, not inner corners, the outer corners of my waterlines. And I'm going to smoke it out down a little bit underneath my waterline as well with a brush. I don't want to put it all over my eyelid, waterline. I might put like a little bit of white on the inner corners. Okay, so next I'm applying the Milk Kush Mascara off camera, but I got this actually with my from Sephora for my birthday gift. I liked it at first a lot because it's not clumpy when you first apply it, and it lengthens my eyelashes really good. But I feel like I'm not sure. I know this is one time, but throughout the day I feel like my mascara kind of just starts running down my eyes and makes my eyes like really ugly and droopy because it's like all black underneath there. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's just me, but I had just worn mascara by itself like one day, and I noticed that all the mascara was gone from my lashes at the end of the day. I'm not sure if that happens to anyone else, but if you guys have tried this mascara or use it, does the same thing happen to you or not? I'm just really curious because I really do want to like this mascara, and I really want to try any more things from Milk Makeup. I really do like it. I also like the mascara one. It's a little thick, but I really do like it actually. So, but I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys had or have this kind of problem with this mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my lips off camera. Let's make it a separate video. But anyways, I'm also probably gonna be doing blush or highlight off camera. But for highlight, I'm actually be using the Barb eyeshadow from the Amrezy palette, just a little bit. I feel like a little bit works great as a highlight. It's really sparkly. It looks beautiful for highlights. Yeah. Okay, so I added some blush, the highlight as well. I used a Barb from the eyeshadow palette. And I am wearing these lashes from Enchanted Beauty. What's the name of them? I think they're Affluent. They're really beautiful. I love them. They're also a brand from here where I live in the Rio Grande Valley. So I'm sinking, by the way. But yeah, they're a local brand. They're really beautiful. I love their lashes. I want to get some more from them in the future. Yeah, I actually did a separate tutorial for the lips. I don't know when that was posted. I'm not sure if it will be posted before or after this video. But I'll be sure to leave a link down below in the description box or in the comments if I remember. If I don't, just remind me, or just go to my channel. Not that hard to find. But I want to do like one last step before I finish this video, and I actually got these little rhinestones from Michael's. My boyfriend begged me not to buy them, but I told him, you know, I just threw them in the cart. I'm buying them, so I bought them. No one tells me what to do, so. But yeah, I can be a total brat with him sometimes, but it's okay. I mean, I was buying it for anyways, my own money, so I don't know why he was telling me no, but whatever. But yeah, I wanted to use these for some looks, of course. We're gonna be using eyelash glue actually to apply them. I think I'm gonna apply some like kind of like on the inner corners of my eyes, kind of up here where the shimmer is, and maybe some on the outside as well. That's what I was thinking. Like maybe like one or two over here, maybe. We'll see. I'll see what mine does right now. Yeah, I think I did mention that I am using eyelash glue. I would use the ABH glitter adhesive. I feel like with like rhinestones, it doesn't stick well to the back of the rhinestones, and also the rhinestones are more heavier than glitter. So eyelash glue is the way to go when gluing rhinestones to your face. Damn it, I already dropped it. I was using a little eyebrow tweezer from Anastasia to hold on to it, but I must have let go of it. They're so easy to lose. I've already lost like 3 or 4 of them while trying to put them on the first time. Thinking about it, I should have thought about this before putting on lashes, but it's too late. I just barely thought about it. I just saw my makeup bag right now and I was like, oh yeah, I was gonna use these for this look. Thinking about it, I should have gotten some like little rhinestones in pink. I think that would look really cool with like the mirror and like the whole aesthetic of the palette, but whatever. I think I'm gonna do 3 on each inner corner of the eye. Be right back to you guys. Okay, so that is it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I haven't filmed in a while. I've been iffy about filming since like after Halloween and the holidays. I'm kind of burnt out, you guys, so I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. But I got this new palette from Anastasia, and of course I had to film with it, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping to slowly get back into filming and stuff. Maybe even create like a look or 2 for Valentine's, maybe, if I have time, but also I'm kind of struggling with like the new semester, you know, so yeah. I think this look turned out exactly how I imagined it. I love it. I think the rhinestones even brought it up to a next level, you know, so yeah. I look like a Bratz doll, so I'm really happy about that. I'm so excited. I think this palette, if you want it, get it. Like, it's so pretty. Like, save money. It's beautiful. I think it's for a limited time. I'm not too sure. It does have 2 more pans than the, like, basic Anastasia palette. So let me bring one out. Okay, so here is the Amrezy palette, and here is a Subculture palette. Let me stack them on top of each other. You see already, it has like 2 more. It has like another row, like 2 more pans in here. So it's bigger than what they usually sell. My Self Culture palette is loved, as you can tell. I'm gonna try to wear it as much as I can. It's really beautiful. Now I'm kind of getting a fall down here in the valley, so that means I can wear more fall colors, you know, especially winter, but whatever. We're getting our fall really late. Hopefully, I'm kind of scared for summer, to be honest, because this summer it's going to be scorching hot. We haven't even gotten a winter at all yet, so. But this palette is very beautiful. I love it. If you're looking for something with neutral colors, this is definitely a palette to get, but you also want something with a pop of color in it, like, and some glitters. This is definitely a palette for you. I haven't tried the pressed glitters yet. They look really pretty. I really do like them. But I think my favorite shade in the palette is definitely Barb. Even though it's more like, it's not really, like it's more of like something you layer. Like you just layer it on other colors and it gives like a pop color. Because by itself it's kind of neutral. It doesn't look as pink by itself. It kind of looks like that. It's like, it's a pretty much like almost like a highlight. Pretty much. It's like a pink highlight. But it's definitely a good layering shade. You can layer it over like a neutral shade. You can layer it like over Wasted on like a Crease, or you can layer it over Reezy. Also Leo is also another shade that caught my attention, and I really do love it on the eyes. It's really beautiful. I love it. Also Reezy is a really pretty, it's a beautiful hot pink. It blended out really nicely actually. It wasn't patchy. For like a shimmer shade, it wasn't patchy at all when blending. It was beautiful. I loved it. So totally get it if you guys want it. I think it is limited edition. I'm not too sure. It might be, I think it's like $60. I don't remember how much it was, but of course you can find it on Anastasia Beverly Hills website and wherever else I saw them. I think Sephora has them, maybe Ulta, I'm not sure. But you guys can totally check that out, but for sure they're on the Anastasia website. So that will be it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. I need to post more on Instagram than all my other social accounts. I also post some looks that don't make it here on YouTube. Just like random looks I do whenever I go out or whenever I feel like doing makeup without filming videos. So they go up on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe day. So bye guys!